Hello guys, today is going to be a little bit of a different video for you. I don't really know where to begin. You can see that I'm not actually in my workshop. My workshop is behind this wall, and I guess I'll just show it to you. And this is how it looks now. It's so weird that I don't even believe my eyes. So there was a huge fire here while I was away. And I don't know if you can see anything, but yeah, that's how it looks. So there was a huge fire here that completely took all of my workshop. Most of my tools, all of the things that I have collected over the past. The workshop is completely ruined. All of the work I done, all of the man hours I put into it, all of the money, it's all gone. This is a very old building and the cables were not meant to carry like all of the load that I was putting on it. It's weird because I usually unplug all of the stuff when I leave my workshop. Maybe I forgot something. I don't know, I can't remember, but the fire happened. And as the firefighters and the police told me, the reason was the old bad cables. So yeah. This was the freshly made table I've made with the table saw. My loft, it's all burned, it's all black. The fire happened in this corner, exactly where the old cables used to be. And I remember that there was my trash can full of sawdust and paper tissues. I don't know, maybe I should have taken it out, but that day I decided to leave it as it was. And I guess some of the old dodgy cables just couldn't carry the load anymore. And I still can't believe it. I don't even know what to do in a situation like this. This sucks big time. I managed to carry out some stuff before the firefighters fully covered the place with the water, but it's all, I don't know if it's still usable. It's all black and covered with this black stuff. This is the second part of my shop near the entrance. Yeah, my bike is alive, so I guess that's good. My sink. Just so much work put into this place, and now it's gone in a matter of like an hour or two, completely burned. It's really hard to look at this. That's my stuff that kind of survived. I don't know, it's all covered in black thing and it's all kind of melted and smoked. That's how much I have left. It's all ruined. Some of my tools were okay. Hope I can just clean them and they will be fine. Some of the smaller stuff survived too. And this is it. That's all that it's left from what it was. And this is it. I don't know what I'm going to do next. The dream workshop was gone in like an hour or something. I don't know whose fault is it. Did I not unplug something from the wall, or was it the old bad wiring? I don't want to blame anyone. It's just a lesson learned hard way. I feel so dumb. I don't know. Just so stupid. Luckily nobody was hurt and the fire didn't spread much. I want to say thanks to the people who are watching my videos and the people who supported One thing I know for sure, this could be either the beginning of the new chapter or this could be the end of it. I feel so bad for doing this, but I'm gonna make a little GoFundMe page. And if you want to support, you can donate a little bit. And maybe we can start working on some new workshop. This time of the year I don't have much work, so this is really the only option for me.